This podcast is a safe place to share experiences and tackle issues related to mental health. It is meant not to work as intervention or replace any treatment option. Should you feel that you are suffering from any mental discomfort, it is necessary to seek professional help from mental health professionals. Okay. Hi to all the listener. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, before we let's start. Let's begin. Our topic for today is how can I improve my self-esteem? Usually, ang dami nagtatanong nito sa mga clients ko. Okay? So, let's start. Self-esteem. Ano nga ba ang self-esteem? Okay, self-esteem is how much we think of and value ourselves. It comes from what we think and feel about ourselves, which can be hard to change. It is also be called self-confidence. Whether you like and value yourself as a person can depend on how you feel about yourself. Okay? Paano mo malalaman na you have low self-esteem? Okay? You feel hopeless or worthless. Mababa tingin mo sa sarili mo kapag ikaw ay parang feeling mo wala ng pag-asa. You blaming yourself unfairly. Lagi mong sinisisi sarili mo, kasalanan mo. Dapat ginawa ko to o hindi ko dapat ginawa to. Hating yourself na naiinis ka sa sarili mo, gusto mong saktan, gusto mo siyang parusahan. Worrying about being unable to do things. Hindi ka makamove forward kasi lagi ka nag-aalala, baka hindi mo siya kaya. So those are the signs of low self-esteem. Okay? Now, ano naman ang causes of low self-esteem? At the same time, ano naman ang pwede mong gawin para mag-improve ang self-esteem mo? Okay, so number one cause is individuals who have poor self-esteem are more likely to associate with negative people according to the study conducted in 2018. So ayan, maaring kaya low ang self-esteem mo is kasi you are surrounded with people that are negative. Okay? When people speak negatively about you, they are merely echoing the negative thoughts you already have about yourself, which in turn lowers your self-esteem. Make it a priority to surround yourself with people and things that send the message that you are good enough. At first, it will feel awkward, but as your confidence grow, it will get easier. Okay, so ayan. So, minsan, the reason bakit tayo mababa ang self-esteem, kasi nga, yung mga tao sa paligid natin, puro negative ang lumalabas towards us. So, ang pinaka-best na pwede mong gawin is you have to change your environment. Meet new people. Ibig sabihin ito yung mga taong positive people. Sometimes, syempre naninibago kasi parang, di ba, minsan ayaw mo na ng bagong tao kasi mag-a-adjust ka naman. Pero minsan kailangan mo yon para mag-improve ang self-esteem mo. Okay? So first is, bakit mababa ang self-esteem is you are surrounded with negative people. The second one is the way you label yourself. Okay? Pay attention to what you say to yourself. Ano ba ang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo? If you keep telling yourself things like, this will never work, or everyone will laugh at me, you'll feel bad about yourself. Sometimes you will think that you're a loser, I'm a failure, okay? So, yun yung mga nagkapa-trigger sa atin ng low self-esteem. But being kind to yourself can be a big part of feeling better about yourself. Say something like, you can do this, kaya mo yan, try your best, and look people in the eye. Over time, changing your inner dialogue can help your brain realize that you're more capable and competent that you can give yourself credit for. Okay? So, minsan, nasanay na tayo nagsiself-talk na negative about ourselves, di ba? So, dapat, do not bully yourself. The way you protect other people kapag may nabubully sa kanila, dapat ganun din ang gawin mong protection sa sarili mo. Kahit ikaw pa, sa'yo pa nang gagaling yung negative thoughts na yon. Okay? So, do not agree. Huwag kang mag-a-agree doon sa mga sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na you are a loser, you are a failure. Okay? Kasi kung lagi ka mag-a-agree, tuloy-tuloy yan, lalong bababa ang self-esteem mo. Okay? So, first, causes of low self-esteem, you are surrounded with negative people, you say negative things about yourself, and then the third one is you are comparing yourself to others. Researchers found that people feel envious when they compare themselves to others. And the worse they feel about themselves, the more envious they are. If you're feeling envious of someone else's life, it can help to think about all the good things in your own life. Okay? So parang bakit mababa ang self-esteem mo? Kasi kino-compare mo yung mga sarili mo sa ibang tao na feeling mo successful. So minsan, dahil kaka-compare mo, feeling mo hindi ka na talaga okay. Minsan naman, um, kakatingin mo, kaka-browse mo sa Facebook, nakikita mo yung mga kaibigan mo or mga relatives mo na nagpo-post sila ng mga achievements nila na parang buti pa sila successful, buti pa sila nakapunta sa ibang bansa. So, pababa ang self-esteem mo. Pero ang reality, hindi mo naman nakikita na bago nila ma-achieve yun, marami silang pinagdaanan. Okay? What you can do, keep a gratitude journal to help you remember all the good things in your life. Napaka-importante na tingnan mo yung mga blessings na meron ka. This can help you pay attention to your own life instead of the lives of other people. Okay? So, yon parang instead na mag-compare ka, tingnan mo yung blessings na meron ka. Okay? So, let's review again. Causes of low self-esteem. You are surrounded with negative people. You label yourself negatively. And then you compare yourself to others. The fourth one is you stop pursuing your goals. Ayaw mo nang gumawa. Ayaw mo nang, dahil nagkaroon ka ng failure, ayaw mo na mag-try. When you try to reach your goals, tandaan mo yan, you often have to fail a few times before you figure out what works. Hindi lahat ng tinatry mo, makukuha mo kaagad, perfect mo kaagad. Sometimes, mafe-feel mo din na mag-fail ka. This can make you question whether or not you have what it takes to be successful. It can also make you wonder how to be more sure of yourself while still going on after your goals. Okay? So, huwag mo hayaan na hindi ka na mag-set ng goals sa sarili mo. Okay? What you can do is set a goals that are doable. Write down that you want to accomplish to set a goals that are attainable. Next, ask yourself how likely it is that you'll get it. Okay? Kapag nag-set ka ng goals, always check mo sa sarili mo kung magagawa ko ba 'to? Kaya ko ba 'to? 'Pag napansin mo, "Ay hindi ko 'to kaya," you lower down mo yung first step mo doon sa goal na yon. 'Pag na-achieve mo na yung first goal, go to the next level, pataas ng pataas. Para ikaw din matutuwa ka rin na na-achieve mo yung una mong ginawa sa sarili mo. Huwag ka agad mag-set ng goals na mataas, sobrang taas na hindi mo siya ma-achieve, okay? So, tingnan mo siya lagi parang ladder step. First step muna, ito yung pwede kong gawin. Second step, pag na-achieve ko na yung first step, ito muna. Okay? So, parang ganito lang siya. Lower the expectation, higher the appreciation towards yourself. Okay? So, ayan ang causes of low self-esteem at saka yung ano yung pwede mong gawin. Okay? In conclusion, learning how to be more confident can help you in a lot of different ways. Self-confidence can help you feel better about yourself and your skills, but can also strengthen your relationships and make you less stressed. Everyone has trouble with their confidence at some point. There are a number of things you can do to feel better about yourself. Learning how to act confidently can often make you feel more confident. Okay? Next, this is a reminder, okay? Sometimes low self-confidence be a sign of mental health problems like depression or anxiety. If your lack of confidence is getting in the way of your job, your social life, your schoolwork, you may want to talk to a mental health professional. A therapist like me can help you understand the problem better, suggest ways to deal with it, and work with you to learn skills that will help you feel better about yourself. Okay, so hopefully that's it about how can you improve your self-esteem. Sana nakatulong sa inyo.